In this question, you have to point out which one is used in preserving pollen as fossils. Option A, pollen kit. Now, pollen kit, which is a sticky material on the surface of pollen grains, is involved in attracting pollinators, and it does not contribute to the preservation of pollen as fossils. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, cellulosic intine. It is also incorrect because intine, which is the inner layer of the pollen wall, is composed of cellulose and pectin, and it is highly resistant to decay and is not used in fossil preservation. Option C, sporopollenin. Now, sporopollenin is a highly durable and is chemically inert substance which is found in the outer wall, that is the exine of pollen grains. And as it is resistant to enzymatic, then microbial and chemical degradation, so it is ideal for using as preservation of pollen in the fossil record. Thus, it is the correct option. Option D, oil content. It is also incorrect because the oil content of pollen grain helps in nutrition and maybe attraction of pollinators but has no role in fossil preservation.